Hi everyone, welcome to another quick session. In this session, we will discuss another framework, DREAD framework. But before discussing this particular framework, let's summarize all those frameworks which we have discussed in our previous videos. For instance, we have discussed Stride, which is designed by Microsoft, and this particular framework is system software centric, used for identifying threats. Another framework which we have discussed in detail, it is Pasta is business and risk driven, align threats with business impact and asset value. Vast is built for agile environments, focuses on automation and scalability across a large organization. We have also discussed MITRE ATT&CK, focuses on attacker behavior, great for defense and incident response. And in this video, we are going to discuss DREAD framework. DREAD framework helps prioritize threats based on impact and risk using a scoring model. So now let's get started. Let's get started regarding this framework. So DREAD is a risk rating model that helps security teams score threats by evaluating how dangerous they are. Each letter in DREAD stands for different factor. For instance, the letter D stands for damage, means impact of an attack. So potential damage. So how bad would that attack be if it worked? Example, uh, could it delete all data or leak customer information? So second is reproducibility. How easy how easy is it to reproduce the attacks? Can anyone repeat it consistently with little effort? So how quick it can be reproduced, right? First is damage. So if there is a damage and the impact of an attack, right? So third is exploitability. How easy it is to launch the attack. Does it require special tools, insider access, or just a browser? So how easily any software or any web browser or any application, whatever it is, how easily it can be exploited, right? So that is exploitability. Fourth one, affected user. If there is an attack, how many user will be impacted, right? One user, multiple user, could be 1,000 users, hundred of thousands users, right? And the last one is discoverability. How easy it is, how easy is it to discover the vulnerability? Is the vulnerability obvious or hidden deep? So when we analyze it, each factor is scored usually 1 to 10, and the total helps prioritize risk. Higher score, more dangerous. Um, it helps in deciding which threats to fix first. So when we use um, when we uh, when we do scoring, then it helps us to prioritize. So which threat needs to be fixed first. So that is quick discussion about threat modeling. Now, as we have discussed all different threat models, and we think how a company decides which threat model can be used. So that question might pop up in our mind. A company typical considers business type and maturity. For example, highly regulated companies might prefer a risk-driven framework like PASTA. Development process, agile team might prefer VAST for integration. Uh, Security goals, prevention. If we want to prevent something, then stride and dread could be a good option. Detection and response, that MITRE attack. Risk analysis is PASTA. And do come and we can also think that companies might use multiple frameworks. Yes, they may combine them. For instance, they can use stride during design, use dread to prioritize risk, use MITRE attack for real-time incident and response, use PASTA for aligning technical risk to business priorities. So, but one thing we need to understand that there is no one size fits all. Instead of trying to implement every model, companies should pick one primary model that fits to their context, right? Optionally, layer others to enhance prioritization, communication, and response, right? So again, it depends on their business, on their need, which model could fit to their context, right? So there is no one size fits to all. And but all these frameworks, the difference between those frameworks, we need to understand for the CISSP exam. That was quick introduction, quick session for this dread framework. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question or feedback, please share in the comment section.